didn't have much of a glide slope there. It kind of come down heavy.
Oh, I think that's cool. Pregnant seagull.
Who's too lazy to build houses? That works.
You know, I found they're good for hatch latches, or the oh my gosh. Actually, it flies pretty good.
Yeah.
Perhaps it's the belly on it that keeps it more stable, huh?
Well, I just tried something different and I don't like it. I moved the battery back in by the inch and I don't like it.
Oh, it's a little tail heavy.
Seagulls can do that.
Is that a seagull or a eagle?
No, it started out to be an eagle. It was so ugly I had to call it a seagull. Seagull.
But it wouldn't fly very good unless he made it pregnant. Landing the pregnant seagull. Oh, you mean when you touch down?
Well, I usually go on high rates to the elevator.
Yeah.